Hey everyone! First off, I want to thank everyone who has found my videos or will find my videos and have enjoyed them or got something useful out of them. It's been a pretty interesting year, and I didn't have any specific plans to create a YouTube channel, but then I ended up ordering a cheap mini lathe that I couldn't find much information about and thought a review would help someone else. Then I just kept hitting that upload button, and here we are over 18,000 subscribers later, and I can call myself a YouTuber. My Christmas present to everyone this year was adding a wood lathe to the mix, and I hope to be able to do some projects that incorporate both the wood and metal lathes. Who knows, maybe 2018 will be the year that I get a mini mill too. I have several new ideas and hope in 2018 I can start expanding this channel to also include some of my other projects and interests without losing the attention of those who were initially interested in the mini lathe. And don't worry, I'm sure the mini lathe videos will continue as well. One of the cool things about bringing in the new year is that it's something the entire world can celebrate together, and hopefully for most of us it brings with it new projects, new goals, new opportunities, and exciting new things you never thought would happen. So here's to continuing the path to 1 million subscribers, and thanks again to everyone who has been supporting this channel, and I look forward to all the new people who join the adventure in 2018. Happy New Year to everyone, and as always, thanks so much for watching.